Ever wondered if you can install wheel spacers yourself? Well, wheel spacers offer a plethora of benefits. They can transform your car's stance, making it wider and more aggressive. Moreover, they provide that extra room needed for fitting larger, wider tires. Not to mention, your car's handling can significantly improve with the wider track. The best part? Wheel spacers are customizable for fitment, and are a cost-effective choice compared to a new set of wheels. Now let's dive into how you can install these on your car. Installing wheel spacers might seem daunting, but with the right tools and preparation, it's entirely doable. The first step is to use a torque wrench. Proper tightening torque is critical with spacers, so a quality torque wrench that can precisely hit spec is a must. Next, check the wheel hub centering. Make sure the wheel hub has the proper centering ring and it's in good condition. After that, spin the wheel and check that the brake caliper doesn't contact the spacer. If it does, you may need spacers with more offset. Stick to the recommended spacer thickness. Lastly, after your initial drive, always retorque. Lug nuts can loosen after driving on new spacers, so it's crucial to retorque after the first 30 to 60 miles. Remember, always consult with an experienced mechanic if you're uncertain. If you've decided to install wheel spacers, it's crucial to use quality products for your safety. Bonoss wheel spacers are top of the line, crafted through precise CNC machining for a perfect fit. Their anodized surface ensures superior corrosion resistance while offering a range of ideal thickness options. Moreover, Bonoss guarantees a precise OEM fit for your vehicle, leaving no room for errors. With Bonoss you can install wheel spacers yourself with confidence. Just remember to take the proper precautions.